Okay, James, I've got it fired up here. And of course that pop-off valve is going off at about 110, which is fine, you know. I know you want something lower, and I guess I can hold on to the boiler and try and find a lower pressure pop-off valve, but you know, these things are tested at 250 pounds, so you're not stressing it at all. So everything checks out good. I've got the bleeder valve on here for the pump, right here. And so you just start pumping, and any air that might be in the pump, you can bleed it off by opening that valve. And everything works good. The whistle's great. I haven't blown it here, but some water will come out at first. So that works just great. Blower works. And you asked if there was a nameplate on it, and yeah, there is, right there. So it's just slowly releasing steam because it's getting up to where it's set at. I could try resetting it, but I hate to mess with it. So my plan was to take it tomorrow down to Redaway Freight, and they'll ship it to California for you, so it can go on the ship to New Zealand. Anyway, I guess that's it.